ride in the 2019 Silverado 3500HD. Pros, everything. Cons, nothing, and is priced below $80,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, sliding rear window, tow hitch, chrome wheels, heated mirrors, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, tires, front all season. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries.